What exactly is decision making? I think every one of you must have come across a difficult situation where decisions are difficult to make. Choices in life. మీ కెరియరే కావచ్చు, ఓకే, చాయిస్ ఆఫ్ సబ్జెక్టే కావచ్చు, ఓకే. ఒక మూవీకి వెళ్ళాలనుకున్నప్పుడు ఆ మూవీకి వెళ్ళాలి అని అంటే దాని ప్రోస్ అండ్ కాన్స్ కనుక్కోవాలి. ఒక చిన్న ఇన్సిడెంట్ చెప్తాను. there was one student called Reena, and మీకు తెలుసు కదా, మండే మార్నింగ్ అంటే nobody likes it, right, after a weekend. So she had a badminton tournament that day, and the second thing, she woke up late as usual, right? And ippudu she has to struggle whether I need to have my breakfast or I must go, or I must have my breakfast or stop my father from going to the office. So she had two difficult choices. Okay, breakfast tinakapothe emautudi, she won't be able to play the match, right? And the second thing, suppose breakfast chesi vellali అని అనుకుంటే వాళ్ళ ఫాదర్ లేట్ అవుతారు కదా ఆఫీస్కి. సో షీ వాజ్ ఇన్ అ డైలమా. Then she decided, thought for a while, okay, I think I'll just pick up a couple of fruits, okay, and a glass of milk I'll have, and then I can catch my bus and I can go to school on time. And in this way, the father also can go to office on time. Chala chinnadaina, but the decision that she took at the moment has saved everyone from not getting late. She went to school very happily. She played the badminton tournament, and she was very energetic because she did take some food on her way to school. She had that food, and at the end of the day, when the mother asked, how was your day, chala enthusiastic ga, it was a wonderful day, ma'am. Why? Because of the simple decision that she has taken at that point of time. So that is how important is decision making. I would like to just give in 5 points which I think every one of you must implement. A simple example related to your subjects. First thing is identify the problem. Let's say you have math, you have science, you have English. So what is difficult for you? Which one would you like to go with? Options. Ante maths cheyali కానీ మనకు తెలుసు కదా మ్యాథ్స్ టైం పడుతుంది. Then science, okay, science, right, I definitely need to give little more time. English చాలా మందికి ఈజీ ఎందుకు? when you are interested, because most of them love, it's a very very simple language where we can communicate. Third, weigh the consequences. అంటే ఇప్పుడు సైన్స్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ డెడ్ లైన్ ఉంది, సో మన ప్రయారిటీ ఏంటి, రైట్? వీ విల్ గో విత్ ద ఫస్ట్ వన్, రైట్? దట్ ఈస్ సైన్స్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ కంప్లీట్ చేసుకోవాలి, డెడ్ లైన్స్, దాని రిజల్ట్స్ ఏముంటాయో కాన్సిక్వెన్సెస్ వే చేసుకోవాలి. దెన్ మ్యాథ్, ఓకే, ఐల్ గివ్ సమ్ ఎక్స్ట్రా టైమ్ ఫర్ మ్యాథ్ సో దట్ ఐ కెన్ కంప్లీట్ ఇట్ ఇన్ టైమ్. English, fine, okay, I'll take it for the last because definitely it's easier and more guided, self-guided. Then choose the best option, another thing. So after you weigh the consequences, you will go with the best option. And finally, you have to review your decision. Ante then result telustundi kada, whether after I took this decision, how will it be? You will become stress free, and then you can go and enjoy your playtime, isn't it? So if you follow these 5 simple steps before taking a decision, I think you can definitely succeed in life with regard to decision making. In a simple way, I can say every small decision shapes your day, and every day shapes your future. Do you all agree with me? I think absolutely, isn't it?